Hi guys, welcome to this Moneycontrol live stream. You're watching Midday Market Mood Check with me, Nandita Khemka, and my colleague Yatin Mota. Yatin, it was turning out to be a manic Monday, but now we have reversed course and we have snapped out of a 4-day losing streak, and that's largely led by Nifty Bank. If you see that index, it's up nearly over 400 points from the day's low, and now up somewhere around 200 points. 0.5% gains coming in on that index, and which is spearheading the up move, on the stock markets today. So if you look at the Nifty, it has reclaimed that 19,700 mark. Mid and small cap indices were earlier under pressure, but I think mid cap index has edged back into the green as well. Advanced decline ratio last time I checked was somewhere around 1:1 on the NSE, and barring the banking pack, all the other sectors were in the red last time I checked. So PSU banks, IT were among the top laggards. So if you look at the Nifty components, the top gainers, Bajaj Twins, Bajaj Finance looking to fundraise. On the back of that, stock is up nearly 5%. Bajaj Finance also following suit. You have Tata Consumer, UPL, Asian Paints, Titan, among the top gainers. On the losing end, you have the likes of SBI Life and SBI also among the top drag on the index. Infosys, HCL Tech, all these stocks are under pressure. Hero, Moto, L&T and Hindalco are some of the other losers. But let's talk about Bajaj Finance, Yatin. Board meet on the 5th of October to mull fundraise $800 million to $1 billion, right? Yeah, so that's what your Moneycontrol story is indicating. Obviously, there is no official communication from the company. But yes, if the company is able to raise, 8,000, 10,000 crores, brokerages are estimating that the capital adequacy ratio will increase to close to 23%. Most importantly, CLSA has increased the target price today. They have come out with a target price of 9,500. So yes, the markets are probably viewing this fund as a say of confidence from the investor community and the company that they should be able to do this. Obviously, there were near-term concerns regarding Geo Financial's entry in the NBFC segment, but let's see how really does this fundraise shape up, and how really does Bajaj Finance look to raise funds, because there is the option of QIP, there is the option of pref issue. A lot of things can be done in terms of fundraising. So let's see which route Bajaj Finance chooses to take. Right, I think the other talking point today in terms of stock specific action is Delta Corp. That stock has tumbled to a 33-month low rather. 20% downtick coming in, of course, on the back of a 16,800 crore rupee tax demand. And this tax amount is, I think, 3 times more than the market cap it had on Friday's close. The tax demand of 11,000 is pertaining to the Delta Corp directly, and the rest of the 5,600 crore rupees is pertaining to its subsidiaries. But Delta Corp is saying that obviously they will take legal recourse, and they're saying that the tax is largely on the bet value and not the gaming value. But the GST changes, of course, will come into effect from October 2023, right? So what Delta Corp is claiming is that it's in retrospect that it has been charged. But now we'll have to see whether or not Delta Corp actually takes legal recourse, and there's some bit of resolution to this issue. But analysts are rather bullish on the stock. Some of them, they say that this could present a buying opportunity for Delta Corp, given the fact that it is the leading gaming company in the online gaming industry, right? And it has a loyal customer base or fan base as well. So that's about Delta Corp. But Yatin, all the other movers and shakers that you want to talk about in the mid-cap space? So MCX and CNBC TV18's report is suggesting that the live session for the new trading system for MCX will begin from 1st October. The exchange could notify the same. Probably because of that, the stock is up 8%. India Bull Real Estate, Balrampur Chini, IRB Infrastructure are the other gainers on the mid-cap end of the market. Obviously, on the losing side, both in FNO and mid-caps, Delta Corp is topping the charts. But we also have Berger Paints, Kalyan Jewellers, KEI Industries. All of these stocks are trading with losses. However, the broader end of the market is quite strong. Companies like Tata Investment, Sundaram Finance, Triveni, KNR Construction, Blue Star, Maruti Suzuki, all of these stocks in the Nifty 500 are hitting fresh 52-week highs. Right, all right. So in the second half of the session, we'll see whether or not the gains that we can see on the screens right now will sustain or not. But Yatin, there are reports that the NSE may extend trading timing from 6:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. in a phased manner. Anything you're picking up on that front?
No, so these are all news reports, and not 9:30. It will go up to 11:30 is what reports are suggesting in phased manner. So the initial proposal is to start few hours, then do a 6 to 9 and then 6 to 11:30. So yes, it has been in the talks for quite some time, and NSE has done stakeholder consultation. They are also in talks with SEBI to increase the trading hours. So let's see how does this shape up, because we need to see if it is only regarding Nifty 50 or the Bank Nifty or Nifty 50 or all the stocks in the F&O segment. So how does it start? How many stock futures and options and index futures are available is something to be seen. But yes, it's a global practice, and this is probably coming anytime soon.
And would that mean increased work timings?
Yeah, no, I don't think so. Let's see.
So yeah, on that note, I think it's a wrap on this midday market mood check. Of course, come back at 3:30 p.m. where we talk about market close as well as some of the stocks that will be on our radar this afternoon. But for now, it's a goodbye from me and Yatin. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Stay tuned to Money Control for all your other news and updates.